Welcome everybody. Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, and we are back with another video for you guys. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can verify your email in PayPal, which means let's say unless you verify your email in PayPal, PayPal is not going to believe that that email belongs to you. But after you verify that email, then PayPal is going to be 100% sure that that email belongs to you. So the verification process of your email is really important if you want to unlock the full feature of your email being included in PayPal. So you need to do that. And if you guys have included your mobile number, you need to verify that as well. It's as important as verifying your email. So don't get confused in that, all right? So this video is on how you guys can verify your email. So I'm going to be showing you how you guys can do that. Just before that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, How to Guide. Now let's move on with the video. First step, you come to paypal.com, you log in into your account. I think you guys can do that. If you can't, we have made a video on how you guys can log in into PayPal. You can watch that and come to this page. After that, you can click on the setting looking icon over here. Now, once you're over here, you can click on where it says add new because we want to add a new email. Once you come over here, you need to enter your email address. To do that, you click on add over here. After you add your email, you need to wait for some time. And as you guys can see, it says unconfirmed, which means my email is not confirmed. I can click on over here where it says resend confirmation. What it is going to do is it's going to send a link to your email. What you need to do is go to your email, and PayPal should have sent you an email. You got to click on that email. There's going to be a link called verify my email. You got to click on that and it's going to take you to a page. Once you're in that page, your email will be automatically verified. It's that simple, so you don't have to worry about it. But this is basically the process on how you guys can verify your email in PayPal. So if you guys found our video helpful, then just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel, everybody. And it's me, Vichy Kevin, signing out. Peace out. Thanks for watching How to Guide.